Start recording. Yo, I gotta take a wild shit right now. Yeah, this could wait. What's the vibes, YouTube? My Amazon packages just came in. I don't even remember what I got. I don't remember. All I know is I'm about to go check it out. About to show y'all what I got. I ordered the packages around like either the 1st or the 2nd. And I tried to get that next day shipping, but they was like, nah. You gonna get it on the 6th. You gonna get it on the 6th. So now we about to go check it out, see what I got. Alright, so we about to rip these bitches open. It's a light package. How these YouTube niggas be doing it? I don't know why they just don't put the camera down when they do this. I like how they wrapped it, whatever it is. Hold up, this has my name on it, right? Oh shit, that shit says Ashiana on it. Whoops. Okay. Ashiana, my bad. That wasn't my package. Let me just read the shit and make sure. Another Ashiana one. What the hell? Damn, I was supposed to get 4 packages. They wilding on me right now. Yeah, I was supposed to get 4 packages. They only gave me 2. So these 2 are hers. That's kind of awkward. Can't even hold you. Anyways, so I got 2 Amazon packages. 2. Let me make sure. Amari. All right. When we finna open these bitches. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Got the ALLA lights. You feel me? The trunk lights. Let's see what else. These are the brake lights. Same thing here. Yeah, because I got 2 for Diamond, 2 for me. Bow. And I get moody off the liquor. Ooh. Yes, sir. I got my LEDs from SEALIGHT, you feel me? And what the hell is this? I don't even know what the hell that is. I feel like I'm missing some stuff though. I guess I'll just check the Amazon order and find out what I got. I just found out what this package is right here. Boom. Oh, you can't even see that. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Naruto fans will know what it is. My car is gonna be Akatsuki clan. Diamond's gonna be Hidden Leaf. So she's a big op. Fuck the Hidden Leaf. It's all about Akatsuki, Pain, all them niggas. RIP, Itachi, that's my boy. My first things are my light. All my lights, LED, trunk light, the inside tints. Then I'm gonna do my system, that weak ass system. I don't like that. Diamond, she already got her tints. So she's worried about decals and speakers. So guys, these are the lights. This is why we here. When they come with little gloves, listen, them shits are small, bro. Like, I appreciate it, but the fuck, I'm not a baby. Okay, little zip ties. Shits are cold, literally. I got my LED headlights and I got my LED high beams. So we about to go install those before it gets dark. It's a little cold outside, but we gonna make it happen by any means possible. Shout out AMP, you feel me? Let's go do that real quick. Let's get it done, you feel me? I ain't even gonna hold you. It's brick out here, but the weather ain't stopping nobody, you feel me? Yeah, why my camera look like that? All scratched up. If that made a difference, let me know, because that shit look kind of dirty. If that shit look dirty, let me know. If you could tell the difference from me cleaning the camera, drop it down in the comments. Clean camera. I'll pop this trunk. We're gonna pop this hood. That was the trunk. I mean, the gas. I don't know what to put in first. I'm so excited. Slap. If y'all fuck with Cardi's album, drop that down in the comments. Comment Cardi album 5. FYE. Fire sign emoji. Fire emoji. What am I old? We gotta take these clamps out right here, probably right here, and just pull it down and I can get to the light. So we about to do that real quick. And yeah, let's see how they look. I'm not afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm not afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know. I be with them demons, trapping and shopping at Neiman's. I don't get mad, nigga, I get even. And they hating on me, what's the reason? Chasing these bags while these niggas sleeping. And I'm doing what these niggas dreaming. You ain't my legion, stay in your region. I pull up on y'all, get the bleeding, sad I get even. Blue eyes, let the 2 flies reload the supply. Inside, smoking tray fives. If you ain't gang, die. Suicide, fuck with my guys. I cut them like a pie. I'm that involved, yeah. I'm that involved, yeah. I ain't the one to brag, oh yes I am. There was shit never had. I wrote it in pen. If I see it, I bite and I buy it again. If I get the shot, I go for the win. These niggas is chicken, they really be hen. His bitch is a Barbie, no wonder he's kin. She's such a hoe, she sucking my yin. She's such a hoe, she sucking my yin. I be
be with the drama, carry the llama. He ain't about shit to this kuna matata. It's hot like it's lava, counting these commas. Touching a goat, he do what he want. He smoking Joanna, nigga don't choke or you was a goner. He starting to sweat, it's feeling like sauna. He know I'm a savage, giving him trauma. I told him I do this, looking the coolest. If you ain't gang, little nigga, then bullet. See him, I pull it, catch a few bullets. Caught him at work, he looking foolish. This for my people, stay for the sequel. It could get lethal, sharp like a needle, lit like the Beatles, strong like the Diesel. I am an ape, you niggas is weasels. I be with them demons, trapping and shopping at Neiman's. I don't get mad, nigga, I get even. And they hating on me, what's the reason? Chasing these bag, why these niggas sleeping? And I'm doing what these niggas dreaming. You ain't my legion, stay in your region. I pull up on y'all, get the bleeding, said I get even.
I'm not afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever.
Is that my baby? I can't tell. Oh! Look who pulled up to the show. Hey, baby.
Hey.
How you doing?
I'm good.
That's what's up.
What you doing?
What you doing?
About to eat. I'm hungry.
Alright, pull up next to me. I'm about to put something in your car real quick.
Okay.
Wow, what a surprise. So I guess I'm doing 2 trunks today. Pop your trunk and get it over with right now. Yeah, we about to change those lights real quick. You know the setup.
I dream about a robbery, you dream of a Nissan. You niggas some peons. Heart turn cold and my mind stay bright. My aura like neon. I turned 21 and I gave it a D. Little nigga like Dion. My little bitch said be gone. I said okay, so I'm sharper than motherfucking phenom. Hit it once, that's a rack. When I see a bitch, she told me to hit from the back. Couldn't even get a stack. Now I hit lick after lick. I'ma need all of that. Counted up once and I counted back. Shorty said she want a Rover, but shorty don't even know how to act. Till I put it in my Jola. Ooh, I meant Margiela, but I'm too busy counting this motherfucking Yola. Don't wanna stay, I won't hold her. Rather spend money on a brand new diamond choker. It's some ball main loafers. This drip will put you in a body bag. Zip him up, put a toe tag. Chopper knock him out his mustache. RIP on the hashtag. Had to send that boy a float. Put your career in the trash bag. You know shop would be the GOAT. All you niggas do the most. Got your bitch having flashbacks of my dick in her throat. Blowing me down like some motherfucking dope. Yeah. She say, Shabby, you got me fucked up. I said, little baby, chill out. I'm elevating right now.
Alright, so I don't remember which one of the fucking brake lights. So I'm just gonna take some shit out and put some shit in and see if it worked. But I'm gonna do her car before I do mine because she gotta go back to work. She just here to.
You niggas some peons. Heart turn cold and my mind stay bright. My aura like neon. I turned 21 and I gave it a D. Little nigga like Dion. My little bitch said be gone. I said okay, so I'm sharper than motherfucking phenom.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember where those lights go. So we're gonna work on that in a minute. But right now I'm gonna do my headlights because it's getting dark and it's getting cold. And the mission is to do this car by any means possible today. Her car can always get done, you feel me? But like me, come on. Alright, so as you see, the lights have changed. It's getting dark out here. It's getting dark and it's getting cold. But like I said, we're gonna do these lights by any means possible. I got my trunk lights in. I got Diamond's trunk lights in. I'm having a problem with my headlights. But I did get the high beams. Boom. Let me show you the high beams. That shit bright as shit. Now I just gotta get these lights right here, which is definitely hard to get to on the battery side, but we're gonna make it happen. I was having a huge ass issue with that, like, because the battery's in the way. You gotta stick your hand in there, and I couldn't get the light to go inside. Like, I couldn't turn it. I'm like, what the fuck is wrong with it? So I ended up taking these shits off, one off the original headlight and one off the SEALIGHT, to see if that was the problem or to see if it was me. I got it on that side, on the high beam side, so apparently it's just me, but we gonna make it happen. I don't know if that shit recorded, and if it didn't, I'm gonna be so tight. Anyways, just in case it didn't record, I just found out that the lights that are supposed to go on the back are reverse lights, simple plug and play, and they have like a reddish tint. It's not fitting. Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it. I'm so fired. Look at this. Look how dope that is. It's lit. All right, y'all. You can see. It's like fully dark now, but we got everything done. I'm gonna turn the car on so you can see. So there's that. I'm gonna show you the reverse light, not the reverse light, the signals.
It's more likely that you'll see a ring lamp failure happen. It's actually downside is very.
And since I know it's that easy, I'm probably gonna do the same thing on Diamond's car. Well, obviously I'm gonna do it on Diamond's car, but I don't know if I want to do it tonight or tomorrow when it's light so I could record. But honestly, I don't even need to record that, just as long as y'all see in future videos what we did. Oh yeah, in the motherfucking trunk light too. Look at that. We lit. So I got a little bit of everything. I still gotta get these lights here because them shits need to be LED. Like, what is this? What is that? That shit's so ugly. That's ugly. But yeah, yo, I don't know. Like, yeah, I'm happy as shit. Thank you for tuning in. If you watched it and you liked the video, make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and comment. Let me know how you feel about the video. You know what I'm saying? Big time Shaba. Comment down below, big time Shaba. You feel me? This has been another DNA vlog. You know what I'm saying? So we out of here.
Brody. You know the vibes. Spanish, mommy, call hello, suave, love when she taught me, head game, sloppy, these niggas, stupid, Shaba, ruthless, got a black heart, I ain't Cupid, the society a movement.